I'm waiting for Sina and Ricky. They said they're coming up on ride, so actually a big weekend today for the kids. They're going camping, so anyway, I'm just gonna wait for them. Hi kids, Auntie Yelly. So apparently,
Is this your private house?
I left my sandal outside.
Mommy.
I'm letting my saddle out outside.
No, where is? I left my sandal outside the shop and go inside. Life. Huh?
Tell him not touch it, then go touch it and put on it. Because you don't touch it, mommy will bite, then you will eat it.
Nice. We are here at Angel's Burger beside the road after looking for peanuts. Apparently, these two kids haven't eaten anything since this morning, and it's midday now. I'm gonna continuously dress these two couple with their kids. So we are at Angel's Burger. Peanut, Sina bought this. Not good. It's not even ripe.
Ano lahat?
So we are still at the house. Sina and Ricky, they went to fix the tent at the campsite.
Can you send a car for us?
So we are actually here waiting for the car. We rent a car, and the car is not here yet. So it's me. Where's Tusa?
It's here.
Tusa and Yeli at the back are just at the house, waiting for the rent car to come, and then we're gonna go down to the campsite. So.
Yeah. And after we're gonna bring it back.
So everyone is at the camp already. So we are just here. We wait for the car, and then we're gonna go to the campsite afterwards. So,
And play with my friend Marcella.
yeah.
That picture, I don't know why. It's already ready to see. Are you kissing video?
Yeah.
Hey. Is it beautiful? Get one
It is beautiful.
We are waiting for the rental car service right there, just behind us. That's the rental car service that we're gonna get rental car. We're using Clary's name to get the car because he has the driver's license. Meanwhile, while waiting, we are doing this stuff. Bye, bye, Pao.
Yeah.
That guy. Turn the car around. Hi, brother. Hello. Mana go spinning car na?
Marcella! Marcella! Look, I got a green tent. My tent is already at.
So these are the two campers.
No, it's on the park field. The park
Karima's gone. No, bring everything back. This is a camp. We're trying to teach kids to be minimal.
Talam naman.
Daddy, where's
So,
our,
timinsan kamiwan naman ya.
Daddy, where's our
Bakit
tent?
ulit mi going to small speed din?
Yep.
We are here at the campsite.
Ubo ng anak, nakababahala. Tema. Para dyan, kumain para si Mom. Namlulot ng bangko, nag-reflect, or yabe.
It is a kids camp, adventurous, so there's like a lot of stuff. We have to carry mattress, pillows, blanket, and a lot of food. So I have been much better. So I have been trusted with the job of cooking some food for the kids. They're at campsite now, so we're gonna have lunch together today. So I'm up here at Ricky's and Sina's place, trying to cook up some stuff and bring it to the campsite, where Ricky will pick us up later. It's at 10 a.m. and it's already 9. The lunch is at 11. Yeah, anyway, all good, all good. Anyway, we are here at the campsite. Now the campsite is for kids. It's an adventure campsite, so for kids 5 years old and below. So I cannot vlog inside the campsite because of the kids. So I'm just gonna show where the campsite is from here. That's the campsite. All the tents there. So we're just gonna be here for lunch and then we're gonna go back home. So the visiting period is around 11:30 to 1:30 period. So we are here to have lunch with the kids and then just go back home again. So anyway, I might not vlog the rest of the evening here because of the kids. Anyway, I bought this hammock that I'm sleeping on right now. So I need to catch up like on a huge sleep. That's why I'm here. Anyway, yeah, we'll have lunch later.
Finish your rice first. Finish your rice, then you come.
So we're just done eating, having lunch, and now I'm sleeping at Alo's hammock, enjoying this afternoon. I'm really tired. I just want to sleep. I had like a great nap. I just woke up. It's around 4:30 now. I slept around 2 o'clock on the hammock and I just woke up now, so I'm just trying to stretch my leg around, walk around the campsite. Anyway, this is where I lost my drone. So the camp is on my left, your right, and I lost my drone on my right, your left. So I lost my drone here, somewhere up here, and the campsite is there. So yeah, anyway, a nice afternoon. Just gonna walk around and see what's up and then head back and join the community at the campsite. We were supposed to be here from 11 to 1. That's the visiting hours, but we stayed till 4. So anyway, this is like the next day. Not like the next day, this is the next day. So yesterday we finished all our stuff with the fellowship, Sunday fellowship, and then it was actually dark, so I left early while everyone was still there. And today I went to the house and they said that the camping thing will finish today at 4 p.m. So Halo got an hammock. Hopefully it's still there. I got my reading book, hence the reason why I just want to go sleep at the hammock, read my books and wait for the camping thing to be over. So it's around, I think, 1 p.m. now, so I have a good 3 hours of reading this book and sleeping on the hammock. I came here to read my book, and this is what I came here to. Now I'm doing, picking up the tent. My first trial of driving car starts today on the Sunday. What's day today? 22.
Dang.
Woo, hot.
Wrong side.
You know what? I get used to
Passenger
big, I'm used to a big offside, and I just reach out like this.
Passenger side.
Kind of say you use no.
Yeah.
I always sit on that side, so.
Dang.
Damn, I've been offside for so long. Okay.
Then start the engine. So okay, you have to step on brake before start.
Huh?
Just step on
I
brake.
can't see the what.
It's the big one. In the middle. There, that one. There. That's the brake. This leg will be just free.
Robust.
Yeah?
Sa mga
Yeah.
kalalakihan.
With no brakes.
Brake is the one you're stepping now.
What?
Brake is the one you're stepping now. The speed is this. There, that one.
Oh, so we just use one leg, huh?
Yeah. So you press the brake. Yeah. Go.
Remember someone to
Why are you shaking?
Huh? Oh.
Okay, step on brake.
Step brake.
Kanan brake. Pull up. Down. Go far away. We're taking the car to this side. Go wait, I will come inside.
So reverse is.
Yeah. Okay. Then you don't press anything, just lift your foot off the brake.
Oh.
Lift.
Yeah, move.
Okay, then easy tapong speed. Slowly. There. I mean, just to put a pressure on it. Hey, kabin. Oh, yeah, sorry. Miluk lo miral na, miluk. Ay, go.
No, I can't go back side.
Okay. There you go. Let's go.
What? Let me accelerate. No. It's
Yes, that's it. Up is this side, down is other side.
define
There you go.
acceleration.
Yeah, brake him. You seven. Swing. Yeah, okay, slow brake. Slow down.
Camping people are already sleeping.
Knock off, finish. To have run off, yeah?
Yep. That's what camp does to you. After all the enjoyment, tiredness come up. This is the top half of our weekend. This is to end our weekend. I drive for almost 20 minutes straight. First driving is reverse, and we're about to leave the car now. 4 o'clock.